Hi guys, welcome to Distance Learning Week 3, April 13th to the 17th. I hope you guys had a restful, enjoyable Easter weekend and you're ready to jump back into the week. So this is our weekly video that you are going to watch before you attend our Zoom meeting. So our Zoom meetings will happen right after this. So period 1 will be meeting Monday morning at 9:30, period 2, Tuesday morning at 9:30, period 3, Monday at 11, and period 4, Tuesday at 11. So directly after watching this video, go ahead and go back to the welcome page and click on the reoccurring link that will take you to our weekly Zoom meeting. This is an important one to attend because we're going to be going over an assignment at the end. And as always, if you would like to do any one-on-one Zoom meetings, which are optional, you can always do that. I had several last week, which were really great. You can just send me an email and I'll set one up with you. But a little note is that we have to have parent permission. So make sure that you ask your parents that it's okay and they tell me that it's fine that we can meet one-on-one. Okay? So our agenda for this week, I will be introducing you to our mass extinction paper, which we're going to be working on for the next 3 weeks. After we intro the paper, you guys are going to be watching a video called The Day the Mesozoic Died. You'll be taking notes while you watch the video. You're going to complete a movie graphic organizer, and then you'll be typing up a paragraph, which will be the first body paragraph to that mass extinction paper. So I wanted to quickly define for you what is a mass extinction. So you should have heard about this when you were going over the slideshow that your classmates put together. You might have heard like, oh, mass extinction. What is a mass extinction? So it's defined as a time period in which a large percentage of all known living species go extinct. There are several causes for mass extinction, such as climate change, geological catastrophes, or even meteor strikes onto Earth's surface. So just right there at the bottom, I linked an article that I found interesting on each of the 5 major mass extinctions, but we're going to be focusing on number 5, which is the Cretaceous Tertiary mass extinction. So it says, probably the best known mass extinction event took out all the dinosaurs on Earth. This was the 5th mass extinction event, called the Cretaceous Tertiary mass extinction, or KT extinction for short. Although the Permian mass extinction, also known as the Great Dying, was much larger in the number of species that went extinct, the KT extinction is the one most people remember because of public fascination with dinosaurs. The KT extinction divides the Cretaceous period, which ended the Mesozoic era, and the Tertiary period at the start of the Cenozoic era, which we currently live in. The KT extinction happened around 65 million years ago, taking out an estimated 75% of all living species on Earth at the time. Many people know that land dinosaurs were casualties of this major mass extinction event, but numerous other species of birds, mammals, fish, mollusks, Plesiosaurus, among other groups of animals, also went extinct. So that's the one that we are going to be focusing on. So here are kind of the outline for your mass extinction paper that you're going to be starting this week. So you're going to be presented with 3 different sources to explain the cause of the 5th mass extinction in our Earth's history. You'll be watching a video, listening to an audio podcast, and reading a text. While you're viewing each source, you're going to be taking notes to collect your evidence. After analyzing each of those 3 pieces, you're going to write a claim with supporting evidence for the cause of this mass extinction. Finally, you'll be making predictions on how we may be currently entering a 6th extinction. Your claim is going to include a total of 6 paragraphs, an introductory paragraph, 1 paragraph for each piece of evidence, 1 for the 6th extinction, and then a concluding paragraph. So it'll be 6 paragraphs in total. It will be all typed, 12-point font, double-spaced, and the one that we're focusing on this week is the first one, which is The Day the Mesozoic Died, the video. Okay, so for this week, your first task is to watch the video. It's about 33 minutes long. I linked it here. You can access it just by clicking the play button or by clicking the link at the bottom. You're going to fill in the video notes while you watch. So I have those linked on the welcome page on Neo. So you're going to watch this video and take notes as you go. Once you are done watching the video, you're going to fill in the front side of our movie graphic organizer. So we're going to be writing a claim and 3 pieces of evidence that we pulled from the video. I've made a video of myself going through this, so you can go through it with me. I recommend that you go through at least this one with me since it's our first one. Again, that's linked on the welcome page on Neo. So I will walk you through our claim and then our 3 pieces of evidence. And then on the back side, this is what we call our body paragraph template. So this template is going to look the same for all of your sources you're going to be looking at, the video, the audio, and the text. And we're going to kind of just use this template to write our body paragraphs. So again, I will be going through this with you on that video, but it's basically taking our claim and evidence and reasoning and putting it into a paragraph. So this template is going to kind of help you write the paragraph. So once we have that filled in, your last task is to type up your paragraph. So you're going to go to the Assignments tab on Neo and you'll open up the mass extinction paper. It's going to automatically ask you to make a copy, so you'll have your own copy. And then this is why I really need you to attend the Zoom meeting, is we're going to go over some relatively complicated directions. It's this new program that we have access to called Google Course Kit. So it's something that you guys haven't done and I haven't done. So there are kind of like specific things that we need to do to make sure that I have access to your paper. So when you come to the our Zoom meeting today, I'm going to walk you guys step by step through this. If for some reason you do not attend our Zoom meeting, you're going to have to follow those directions linked there on your own. Okay, so this mass extinction paper is going to be where you're typing your entire essay. We're going to type it paragraph by paragraph. So this week, you're only responsible for 1 paragraph, and that's the paragraph relating to the video that you'll be watching the day the Mesozoic died. And that's it for the week. So I hope you guys have a great week and a great weekend, and I'll be here to help you if you need it. Okay? I'll talk to you soon.